Hello, welcome back to my channel. This again is Trish at Creativemind Creations, and I'm going to do another share for you today that I am going to be shipping out also, and it's a swap that I hosted on Coffee Cake and Craft, and the group hosted or administrated by Tiffany McGill, and I am sending this one off to Felicia Andrews. I can't think of her last name, but yeah, I'm her partner in that swap, and this is what I'm sending her. Actually, I was gonna send it in a one of those embellishment boxes that I did, the matchbook style. I had decorated it. Well, I put paper on it, didn't finish decorating it, but I didn't like it. I mean, I said I want to send it something cuter. So I have these on my desk. What I did a video on these a while back, and I said, "Oh, let's put them in here. This would be cuter." So she could use this box for whatever. But anyway, the Resin Swap is what's in here that I hosted. So she's my partner, and I put her pieces in here. We had to send out at least 15 pieces. If you send small ones, then you have to, send enough to compensate for big ones. So I sent more than 15 big ones, and I did send her some small ones too. And these are all small resin pieces that I made myself, so I'm not gonna take these out. See, these are flowers and little cherubs and bows, and let me see what else is in there. Yeah, flowers, cherubs, a few cherubs, and some bows, and I think that's all that's in there. Some resin pieces that I poured, and I'm also sending her one of my mermaid tails that I made. Y'all see me make that if you watch that video. And I'm just gonna pour all this out. Yeah. Okay, so I'm sending her 3 frames. There's some frames that I'm sending, and they all fit in here perfectly. I wanted to make some more, but then I kept getting interrupted, and the grandkids visited and all that, and I couldn't get it done. So yeah. And so here are some wings that I poured. This is from the new mold. I think I did a video on that mold. I love these. And then here's a crown and 2 more wings, and I made a mold out of a metal piece of the wings, and so she can hang those on something, or she can cut them off. This is a crown and a couple of wings, and another mold that was from the one from the big wings that was in there. This is of a big pretty log, and this could be painted. And then this is one from a mold that I think I got from Wish. I can't remember. It's got a little bit of a tint to it because I used some my acrylic that was kind of going bad, and it had a yellow tint, but it's no biggie. She can even leave it like that. It's kind of pretty, or she can go ahead and paint it whatever color she wants. So it's not completely white, but it's that's a pretty mold to come out. And that is that. So those are the molds that I've sent her. I wanted to send her some clear equipment, but like I said, I couldn't get around to it, man, and that takes like 24 hours to cure. But I either had to go somewhere, or I had the grandkids here or something. I just couldn't get around to it, and they wouldn't have cured fast enough if I did them yesterday, because then I had to do yard work and yada yada yada. So anyway, so this is what I'm going to be sending her, this little nail polish box that I made a while back, and I thought it'd be a cute little presentation to send it in instead of the box that I was originally going to send it in. So I hope she likes her resin pieces and the little container that they come in. But thanks again, guys, for watching my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and y'all have a crafty day. Bye.